a very exciting day. I'm heading back to the Lush factory. I'm gonna do another Lush tour. Y'all already know I love Lush. It's a part of my soul. So this is gonna be a fun day. Let's go.
Awesome, thank you, you too.
I am here.
Really needed like to get me.
Look who has arrived. Madeline's here with an extra large factory tour shirt. So excited.
I'll show you her face sticker too.
Bubbles. Oh yeah, this is the party room, I can tell. So my mom told me that her life goal is to cut comforter bubble bar, like just slice it, and it looks so satisfying. So now that is my goal too. I don't know if they're making it today, but I will see.
To get some anger out. You guys want to give a go at making a bubble bar?
Oh my god, I would love to. Yeah. It's good.
Maybe you'll recognize it in the shop someday.
Yeah. Like that ugly one.
It'll come home to you, yeah.
They're just so beautiful. We're actually gonna change the name of this. This isn't the Lush factory, it's Lush Bakery, because this is seriously like a kitchen and a bakery, but for Lush products and for bath bombs.
So this is where we do like our dental care.
Oh,
our
nice. I don't know if you can hear me. This is the tooth machine. It makes the toothy tabs. We're stealing all the goods from the factory. This is like a backpack of hot items.
Glitter, I buy every product it's in because it's so good.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Also a great highlight. Just like rub it in, go out for the night.
You've got highlighter everywhere now. You're set. These are all handmade, every single one. I used to wash all my makeup brushes with this. Really? This was like my go-to soap. It's so good. And it's solid, it's moisturizing, it smells so delicious. Wash your brushes with these. This will change your life.
So they're pouring the little scrubby skeletons.
This giant pot will make 5,000 scrubbies. And it smells, it literally smells like liquid caramel and toffee. Just everything pure in the world.
You're gonna meet with our compounder Lindsay and actually make a batch of angels on bare skin.
I love
our iconic products. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jaclyn.
So this is one of the more basic cleansers that we make. It's the simplest formula that we have here, but sometimes, you know, the simplest is actually the best. This is glycerin. It's a humectant, so what it does is, I'll show you the consistency of it. So it's a little bit, ooh, kind of creamy. Yeah. So this is glycerin.
Does it smell good?
It's pretty strong on its own. Yeah.
It does smell like it though.
Oh yeah, it's like super potent lavender.
We put more of the lavender in the roll as well.
Yeah.
A bit of exfoliation.
That is a lot darker than I was expecting.
Yeah. We use a lot of almonds, so we have to buy them obviously in bulk.
Ooh, that looks kind of good.
Satisfying.
Almonds are in.
So, kaolin. It is a natural occurring soft clay.
This literally makes my skin so soft. I love this. It looks like vanilla cake batter.
And we mix it up.
This truly is a jumbo KitchenAid.
Look out for this batch in stores. Alrighty.
We're gonna roll it, send it to the stores. Okay, we're gonna go to town.
If like the more you work with it, it'll kind of extract the oils out of it. So like this one's very rustic.
Rustic?
Okay. Like that. Sprinkle it on top. Spread it out nice and even. Push it down.
Wow, yours is definitely the nicest. Mine looks a little crusty. Yeah, mine has personality. Mama loves you. Sticker me, hit me, baby.
Made by Lindsay.
If you guys see this sticker in the Lush stores on the Angels on Bare Skin, just know that this could have been our batch. Me and Madeline could have made this one. Just saying. Oh my goodness. This one is Honey I Wash My Hair, the solid shampoo bar, and they're pressing them. I could just stay here all day, honestly. I don't want to go. So right now we're making Full of Grace, which is like a serum, like a solid serum bar. It's, I think, the most underrated Lush product of all time. It's so amazing. I like to use it sometimes at night, like underneath my moisturizer, but also underneath the face masks. It makes your skin so soft and like buttery and like fresh baby skin. Plus there's like mushrooms in it, which is just kind of cool. So that's the mushroom mixture?
Yeah, mushrooms and the almond oil.
Ooh, how romantic. $40,000 worth of product in this container right now. Casual, right? Could you imagine messing up this batch and like something goes terribly wrong? I would not want that responsibility. We're going into the bath bomb building. That's wild. You know you're making a lot of bath bombs when you have to buy a whole other building just for bath bombs. What? So that's the factory we were just in. That's the original factory. And then this is part 2. You can see like a small little film of bath bomb dust just in the air though. They're pressing Madam President.
It's not a simple one. It's gonna be part of our Mother's Day range, celebrating women.
I truly hope that this translates on camera. Look at that size of bath bomb powder. Have you pressed a bath bomb before, Adeline?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're a seasoned pro. Oh, I'm a medium. I've got some big hands over here. Thank you very much.
And I've had them.
What are the techniques for the ideal bath bomb? Give it a squeeze. Give it a squeeze. So apparently it's a quiet day today in the factory, but during Christmas time, they said they had 600 people just working in this bath bomb room alone. Oh no, are these the ones that didn't make it? Rest in peace, babies. It's just crazy the amount of love and care that goes into every batch of product. All starting from mixing it up and then like pressing it. Just makes me love Lush that much more. Okay, the Lush tour is all over and I'm super sad. I don't want to go. This has been way too much fun.
Low battery.
I know, and I've got low battery. Life is just falling apart. This truly is like a candy land in there. It's just
I know. Don't you feel like it's like Willy Wonka
and a chocolate,
factory?
yeah, it is, of Lush.
Mm-hmm.
Even better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm at a low point right now. It was such an extreme. I was at such a high. Right, okay, we're gonna go get tacos. So my vlog camera definitely died mid-sentence. Anyways, me and the gals, we're gonna go to a taco place. What's the name again? You had a great...
Playa Cabana Cantina.
Right, that's where we're going. We're gonna go get a little taco, get a little guac. Okay, I'm back home now. It was such a fun day. Oh my gosh, it flew by though. Anyways, I thought you guys would be interested to see a little Lush haul fresh from the factory. And you guys would want to see what I ended up taking home from Lush. So let's do it right now on my kitchen floor. Okay. Whoa. Okay, first up, there is this. Oh, I forget the name of this. I should know this. I should know this. Anyways, this is the new body butter, which is kind of like a scrub that you use in the shower. And this thing smells amazing. When we were in the factory, one of the workers actually compared the fragrance of this to the smell of a Cabbage Patch doll's head. And you know what? I kind of see it, and I don't hate it. Then in here, this is a solid conditioner. This one is in the fragrance Jungle. And then here is one of the pink bath bombs that we made. I'm honestly not too confident that this is gonna hold together when I take it out of the mold, but I'm gonna let this sit overnight and dry, and then maybe I'll try and use it tomorrow. Then I got some Tooth Fairy tooth powder, which will be super interesting. I've never used anything like this before. Of course, I've got the Angels on Bare Skin that I made and rolled up. Ooh, my skin is gonna be so happy when I use this. And then I also ended up taking home 2 fresh face masks. It was the Don't Look at Me kind. So yeah, I'm all lushed out, but in a good way. And I'm gonna take the night to kind of have a pamper night and, you know, take a little bath, wash my face, and just really relax and treat myself. Anyways, huge thank you to Lush for having me back at the factory. If you have not seen the original Lush factory tour, which was from 2 years ago, link will be up there. Go click it, go watch. Anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments which Lush videos you guys want to see from me, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye! It smells exactly like rose jam to me. Maybe it's supposed to smell exactly like it. I do really like this fragrance though. It's absolutely gorgeous. Actually, you know what? I haven't been inserting demos in my videos recently, but I'm gonna demo this one just because I feel like you guys need to see what this looks like. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I'm gonna take a bath after I finish filming this and record what this looks like. So there is this shot. I hope this looks as magical as I've been envisioning.